Apple's iOS 18 has just been released and it's packed with astonishing new features you won't believe. iOS 18 introduces app locking with Face ID, providing biometric security for specific apps and ensuring that only authorized users can access them. Siri now features a glowing effect upon activation, offering a more dynamic and visually engaging interaction, so you know exactly when Siri is listening. You can now schedule messages to be sent at a specific time, ensuring important communications are delivered precisely when needed. Cleanup tool. This feature focuses your pictures by removing unwanted objects from the background, ensuring your photos remain unaltered but cleaner. Satellite messaging. iOS 18 introduces satellite messaging, enabling you to stay connected through iMessage or SMS even without cellular service or Wi-Fi. Revamped Photos app. The redesigned Photos app helps you keep your library organized and find photos quickly with an improved layout, making it easier to enjoy your memories. Pay through your iPhone. The latest feature allows you to connect devices and make payments effortlessly, similar to how you share pictures and videos with AirDrop. Apple Genmoji. Apple's new Genmoji feature lets you create custom emojis directly on your device using AI. Personalize expressions, features, and designs to make unique emojis that match your style. Customize control layout. With iOS 18, you can rearrange and resize controls in your control center, creating personalized groups for easier access with a simple swipe. Enhanced Notes app. The updated Notes app offers smart folders, improved search, and seamless syncing, making it easier to manage, edit, and share notes across your devices.